Hi guys, so this video is an announcement for the commencement of practice sessions with me. So the following subjects which you can see on your screen, the FR, AA, SBL, SBR and AAA. So if you're giving any of these subjects in December 2020, then this video will be helpful for you. So we've got brilliant results from the practice sessions last quarter, and many students were helped with these practice sessions. This time we are not conducting the live sessions. It will be in the form of recordings, and I have just posted one video which is a demo, or you can say a glimpse into the FR recorded sessions, how they look like. They sometimes some videos are like that, some videos are just like a screen share and audio. Okay, so it's a you can say mixture of both of the things. So just view that video. I think you can see it somewhere above, and you'll also find it in the description box, the link to that demo. And then just for AAA, Advanced Audit and Assurance, the sessions will be held live, and it is starting from 2nd of November 2020. So you can just ping me. You can find my WhatsApp details in the description box. You can ping me for that. I'll let you know about the timings and how and what we'll do. Okay, so let's talk about the agenda of these practice sessions. Number one is that we'll be solving important kit questions. And for FR we'll solve the Kaplan. For AA we'll be solving BPP. For SBL BPP, SBR Kaplan, and AAA BPP. So that's the agenda. And then we'll also there will be mock assessment in the last week of November, where you'll be sitting in the mocks, and after all the practice sessions you'll be sitting in the mocks, and that's the agenda of this practice session. So it's just a question drilling sessions of 14 to 15 hours, and you can find the fee for the below for the above said subjects in the description below. So you can find the fee, and you can just ping me on WhatsApp if you want to enroll for these courses. So all the best everyone for your exams, and I hope I am helping you enough for your preparation. All the best.